welcome all of you to the online classes of biology. So, I am Mrs. Leena Varghese. I am welcoming you all to the new session of your higher secondary school education. You have taken biology and it's a good decision as it is offering you a lot of opportunities for the future. Okay. So, today in this video, I will be explaining about various chapters, units that you need to complete in your in this year. Okay. So, there are 5 units. That is, first unit is diversity in the living world. So, in this chapter, in this unit, you will be studying about various classification. Okay, so you have studied little bit in 9th class, so the same thing you will be studying. Okay, so the first chapter is about the living world. In this you will have to study about the characters of living organisms. Okay, then you will have to study about the hierarchy of classification, etc. Okay, so that is the first chapter. Then second chapter is about the biological classification. In this you will be studying about the systems of classification. Okay, and then the 2 kingdom classification, 5 kingdom classification. Okay, and you will also have to study about the different kingdoms. Okay, kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, and kingdom Fungi. Okay, and the third chapter you will have to study about the plant kingdom, especially about the bryophytes. Okay, algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, and gymnosperms. Okay, their characteristic features, etc. you have to study. Then in the last chapter, that is chapter 4, you will have to study about the animal kingdom. Okay, so animal kingdom, you will have to study various phyla of animal kingdom. Okay, various phyla of animal kingdom, like what non-chordates and chordate phylums. Okay, chordates and non-chordate phylum you have to study. Okay, and then you will be studying about the various the second unit you will have to study about the structural organization in animals and plants. Okay, structural organization in plants and animals. So in this unit you will have to study about the chapters like morphology of flowering plants. Okay, so morphology of flowering plants means you will have to study about the external features of flowering plants, like what you will have to study about the roots. Okay, leaves, flowers, stems, etc. In this chapter. Okay, and their modifications. So this is the morphology of flowering plants. And one more chapter was there, actually sixth chapter, that is anatomy of flowering plants, that is removed from the syllabus. Then next is what structural organization in animals. So you will have to study about the tissues, various tissues of organisms. Okay, especially about the animals you will have to study in this chapter. Then the next unit will be the cell. The third unit you will have what cell structure and function. Okay, so in this chapter you are having 3 chapters: the cell unit of life, the biomolecules, then cell cycle and cell division. Okay, so cell unit of life, in that you will have to study about the cell structure in detail. Okay, cell structure in detail you will have to study. So you have studied little bit in 9th class, isn't it? So you have to study about the various cell organelles, their functions, structure, all this you will have to study. Then the 9th chapter is about the biomolecules. The biomolecules means the molecules that make up the organisms. Okay, so there are what micromolecules and macromolecules. Can you give examples of micromolecules, like what amino acids? Okay, then what monosaccharides. So all these are micromolecules. They join to form what? The macromolecules. So this micromolecules and macromolecules Okay, their structure, the bond between the micromolecules that make up the polysaccharides, etc. you will be studying in biomolecules. Clear? Then next is what? The cell cycle and cell divisions. Have you studied about two types of cell division, that is mitosis and meiosis? The mitosis is the cell division taking place in somatic cells, and meiosis is the cell division that takes place in the gametic cells. Okay, so this kind of cell division, how this take place, the procedure or the stages, all that we will be studying in detail in the this unit. Okay, unit 3, cell structure and function. The fourth unit is about the plant physiology. Okay, so in this in this unit, 2 chapters already removed, okay, by the CBSE for this year, that is mineral nutrition and transport. Clear? And the rest chapters are photosynthesis in higher plants, respiration in higher plants, okay, respiration in plants, and plant growth and development. Okay, so in photosynthesis you will have to study about various stages, okay, the various reactions whereby carbon dioxide is converted to carbohydrate. Clear? So light reaction is there, dark reaction, so all that in detail we'll have to study. Okay, the next chapter is about the respiration. Okay, so respiration in plants. So in this you will have to study various steps that includes that helps in the oxidation of food, glycolysis, Krebs cycle, all that in detail will be studying. Okay, and the next chapter is about the plant growth and development. Okay, so from this chapter some of the portions are removed. From many chapters some topics are removed, that while teaching I will explain you later. Okay, what all you need not to study. So in plant growth and development you will have to study about the hormones that helps in the process of plant growth and development. Okay, mainly that you will have to study this year. Okay, in the 5th chapter, okay, that includes the human physiology. So there are chapters like breathing and exchange of gases, that is explaining the respiratory system, okay, and the process of respiration. Then circulatory system, okay, then excretory products and their elimination, that is excretory system, then locomotion and movement. So these are the chapters. 2 more chapters are there, that is control and coordination, that explains the the nervous system and its functioning. Okay, and then chemical control and coordination, that is the glands and the various the hormones. Okay, so how they help in the control and coordination of our body. So these are some of the chapters that is coming under human physiology, the chapter unit 5, human physiology. From this one more chapter was there, that is removed, that is digestive system. Okay, the digestion and absorption, that chapter is removed. Okay, so likewise what we will be studying about the physiological functions that happening in our body in the human physiology. So totally 4 chapters are removed, that is anatomy of flowering plants, transport in plants, mineral nutrition, digestion and absorption. So all these chapters are completely removed. In addition to that, some other chapters, okay, from other chapters, some portions, some topics are removed, that I will explain you while explaining the other the chapters. Okay, so total 5 units are there. They are diversity in the living world, structural organization in plants and animals, structure and cell structure and function, okay, then plant physiology and human physiology. So these are different units that we need to study this year. Okay, so I hope you got some summary of the chapters that you need to study. An overall view you would have got. So in this video I will stop, and in the coming videos I will start teaching the topics. Okay. Thank you.